Good evening. For the activity 2 of Module 3 of the Basic English Course 2, I present to exercise. Presentation Universidad Manuela Beltrán, Inglés Básico 2, Jorge Marín, Important Events in My Life. Three categories. My favorite vacation, a childhood memory, my favorite moments at school. Where did you go? I went to a place called Necoclí. Who did you go with? I went with my ex-wife. When was that vacations? And those holidays were 4 years ago. Why was that situation important in your life? Because at that time I was a happy child and had many friends. How old were you in that moment? At that time he was 6 years old. Who were you with? I was with my whole family. Who were you with? I was with all the soccer team in my classroom. When did that event happen? This event happened when I was in third grade. Where were you? I was in elementary school. Conclusions. The previous exercise teaches is used in a practical way some uses for the present simple. It is also a way to make ourselves know in a deeper way to our peers. And thank you very much.